Good day, my name is Oren from Years Help, a division of I'm Your Contractor. Thank you for spending your time to learn how the I'm Your Contractor platform can greatly help your business. I'm sure you will agree after we're done that it was time well invested. Today I'm taking you on a guided tour and demonstration of the platform and your workspace and one important app, namely the Sales CRM portals. We will go into detail on a few of the items mentioned during this video. My aim is to cover most, if not all of your questions during this tour. If not, then I will address your remaining questions at the end. So, what can a Sales CRM do for you? It is going to assist you in landing the deal over all the other contractors that are also in the running for the same project. It will maximize your sales and revenue by assisting you to be proactive in attending to your clients' needs. Our system is going to help you manage your customer relations easily and efficiently. The Sales CRM is going to instill confidence in the project or homeowner in their dealings with you, and you will come across as being professional and on top of your game. Besides showing you what is offered by the platform, the demo should sufficiently prepare you to start processing leads, creating proposals, and procuring building materials or construction-related products using the I'm Your Contractor platform. Let's jump in. Think of this as the public-facing website. Through this site, project or homeowners are able to find and view contractor or supplier profiles and engage with them directly. Contractors can present their profiles and connect with potential clients, subcontractors, and suppliers. Suppliers present their profiles and product catalogs to connect with contractors and consumers. This profile is a crucial and key aspect of the CRM system. It puts you into the marketplace where potential customers can find you and connect with you. Because you registered during the beta phase, I may offer my services to help you modify any information that you'd like changed, added, or removed at no cost to you. You may of course also change it yourself at any time. However, I'd like to schedule a separate appointment with you to focus on your profile updates and changes, as this will take some time to go through together. This page presents your company information. The Overview tab is the introduction of your business to the public. We have populated these fields based on information we could find about your organization on the internet. If you do not have a defined vision, mission, or slogan, we've taken the liberty to compile these suggested visions and missions and slogans for you, but you should make them your own. We can make any changes on our next appointment. Offerings. This is where a high-level listing of all your services products are displayed. If you are not happy with the category selections, or if you think the selection is not suitable, you are welcome to change it as you see fit and at any time in the future. If the industry or classification that you are looking for is not in the option list, we can discuss that when we make changes to your profile. Projects. The Projects tab is where you can display all of your previous or current projects. These are extremely important. Our research shows that this is key to the customer's decision process. If you think about it, for all the convenience that the internet provides to and connect with suppliers and service providers when it comes to their reputation, the customer has very little to base their decision on. The vision and mission are very nice, and what you offer is important, but that's what you say. The projects page is one of two places where you can present evidence of how good and great your company is. Our data shows that the more complete and detailed your projects page is, the more you will win deals over your competition. Delivery models. The information currently displayed here is generic and was copied from a template when we set up your profile initially. Delivery models are telling prospective customers how you are willing to engage with them for projects. What options do they have? Do you want payment upfront, or do you want to get paid as the project progresses, and so on? And of course, you may offer various options and even combinations of options, so it is obviously important that you read through these and modify them or remove options you do not support, or even add other options that you offer that are not in the standard list of delivery models. The ones we copied into your profile are the standard industry options for delivery engagement models. References. In this tab, we encourage you to present or list any of your company awards, customer testimonials, and company certifications. As I mentioned before, this is the other bit of profile information that creates confidence in the mind of your prospective customer, and that will help you in gaining preference over the competition and win deals. FAQs. The information displayed here is also generic and was copied from a template when we set up your profile initially. These are questions prospective customers usually ask. I think it is important that you make these generic questions and answers unique so that it matches your actual experience with prospects. You can of course take cues from the generic stuff, but it will be much better for your business image if these are uniquely yours. And even if you do some or all of the generic stuff, there are sections that require your attention and for information to be edited and added, such as your company name. So now we come to the two buttons that are positioned on the right side of the screen. There are two kinds of buttons. The top two, namely the bookmark and contact the service provider buttons, are intended for prospective customers. In other words, property owners and project managers. Prospective customers can use this button to bookmark your profile and link it to their own workspace so that they can later on easily access your profile again without having to search for it. This button presents a smart form for the project owner or contractor to complete to further request information or for a quotation. I will be taking you through the lead journey shortly. The bottom three buttons are intended to be used by the profile owner, in other words by you, the contractor, the service provider, or by the person you have been authorized to be the administrator of your workspace. Only the business owner or his or her authorized workspace administrator are able to use these last three buttons. If anyone else clicks the buttons, it leads them straight to a dead end. They cannot access the profile information. When you click on the Update Profile button, a new tab will open, leading to a form with a few buttons. This is where you are able to easily modify, update, and or remove any information that displays on your profile. Each button represents a specific subset of your profile information. You are able to change things like your vision, mission, slogan, delivery models, and even the FAQs. Alright, so we will be going through each of these tabs during our next engagement and making any modifications necessary. The Open Workspace button will take you directly to your workspace. We also refer to it as the back-end portal or the engine that drives everything. I have temporary access to your workspace, which I will assist you to cancel when we are done with this demo so that only you and your authorized staff would have access to your workspace. So what you see here is the access point to the user interface of your workspace. But let's quickly touch on the last button on your public facing profile before moving on to the workspace, that being templates. The templates are what we use to draw all the information from your workspace through to display here. Some of the templates are used to link your CRM or product catalogs here as well. If you view your profile at any time and you see an error message or there is some information that is not displaying the way it should, you can simply click on the templates button. As you saw, it opens a new tab. You need to manually select your workspace from the drop-down selector and check that all of the templates are installed and active. If not, click Install, close the tab and refresh your profile. All error messages or information displaying issues should be resolved. If this is not the case and the problem persists, send us an email and we will quickly sort it out.